Today I'm going to share a new mining app which is almost similar like PiCoin. As you know, now lots of my members and me, all of the members who are working in airdrops for a long time, they have gained a decent profit from the Pi network and the Pi core team on the Pi mining app. Lots of users are also facing KYC and migration problem, and lots of problems are they are facing. So if you want to solve this kind of problem, you can follow my previous videos which is related to the Pi KYC problem and migration problem in my YouTube channel. You can easily find them on my YouTube channel. Just go to my channel and you will find them. So let's talk about how you can join this project and how you can mine. First of all, you need to come on this post. Where you will get this post, I will post this post on my Telegram channel, and you will find the link of this post in the description box of the YouTube which video you are watching right now. So first of all, you need to click on the download app, then click on open. Then you will be redirected to a browser, and then you will redirect it to the Play Store of your mobile phone. Then install the app. Here you can see, just install it. Make sure you have joined through this link, otherwise you are not getting any kind of bonus on this app. So let's move on to the post. Here you can see you need to come on this post again. After coming on the post, here you can see follow screenshot. You can follow my screenshot, or I am also teaching you how you can join in this video. First, after opening the app from the Play Store, let's move this. After opening the app, you will get this page. What you need to do here, first you need to click on the register. Here you can see the register button. Click on this, then click on register with Google. In this app is on the early stage, so you will not find any other option to log in here. Just click on register with Google, then select any of your Google account. I have lots of accounts, so there is lots of accounts are showing, so you can use any of them. If you have 1 or 2 Gmail, then you can use any of them which you are which email you use every time when you are mining, you are joining any project or kind of that. Let's click on sign in. After clicking on the after choosing the Gmail, click on sign in. Then here you can see your Gmail will be given here, which you have selected previously. Then you need to use a username. I will suggest you to choose your username from the NID card or a driving license or any other legal license. You can use them, but you need to add some 1 to 3 or special character or 5 to 6, any kind of number you need to add, because without adding the number or anything, your username will be invalid. They will say that this username is already available. So then you need to select your country. Click on this, then select your country, where are you from, then type your phone number here. You will find all of your country in the world, so you just select your country, then type your phone number here, then password 2 times, use special character and save the password in a safe place so that you can access your account in the late run. Then you don't need to paste this code. If this field is empty, then go back to my post and copy the referral code, then paste here, then confirm with the terms and condition, then click on register. That's it. Then you will be redirected to this page again. Then you need to select your username again, which you have chosen previously, or you can use your phone number or Gmail instead. Then type your password, same password here, then auto login, then click on sign in. After this, you need to click on this button. Let's move on to the app right now. If I go to the app of mine, here you can see my mining is still ongoing. Just click on this, then after 24 hours again you can come on this app and you can start your mining, same like PiCoin. Here you can see their price is showing $3.88 per day. That means one coin price or the 1 day mining will be the price will be $3.88, which is a huge price. So I don't think this is gonna be listing in this price, but similar to this price I think. Let's see when they'll list their coin. So after coming on the app, after logging in or starting your mining, what you need to do, click on this button. Here you can see wallet button, then click on start creating a wallet. Then you will be created a new wallet. Make sure you have saved the seed phrase and secret codes, so that you can copy the secret code and then paste anywhere. Like you can use your notepad or other, you can also write it down on a paper, so that you can access this code after when they ask you for the code. Because as you can see, PyCoin have launched mainnet, then we need to give them seed phrase, but lots of my members have lost their seed phrase. So make sure you have saved the seed phrase and secret codes. So then go to the profile section, then you need to verify your KYC. Just click on user verification, then eKYC, just click on eKYC, then click on continue. Here you can see complete ownership information over 30 days. So it will be automatically corrected, but you need to exploit at least 30 Ruby. That means you need to reach the 30 Ruby balance on your main balance, then you can apply for the KYC, and you have to receive invitation from KYC 1.5. You need to fulfill the process. Here you can see exploit 30 Ruby, and you need to receive an invitation from KYC 1.5. I think this is gonna be automatically corrected in the late when you have reached the 30 Ruby mining. And I will also show you when I reached 30 Ruby that how you can solve your KYC problem and how you can submit your KYC. So I will also post a new video about the KYC process, how you can submit your KYC and approve your KYC within a minute. So for this video, like this video and comment down below if you want a video on KYC verification of Ruby mining. So till then, mine on this token, mine on this app. As much you token earn, as much you are getting reward in the airdrop day and the listing day. So don't miss this project. It is 100% verified and authentic offer, and we always try to share you the most authentic offer in the internet, so that you can earn a decent amount of profit in the last of the month. There you can see we have already shared so many videos and posts in our Telegram channel, which is related to the earning and airdrops updates. So that are totally free. We always try to share the free offers from the internet, so that you can earn a decent amount of money without any kind of investment. So I am coming with the next video. Till then, goodbye.